Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding ticker symbol PLTR, which is for Palantir. And why I'm making this video? Because tomorrow morning, May 11th, they have their earning. It will be before market. Currently, I'm making the video after market, so when you will be watching this video, most probably the earning is not out yet. So I'm just making the video to give you a sense about what's gonna happen, the technical analysis, the chart pattern, where it can go, whether it's going up, whether it's coming down, and how to play some call or put option. At the same time, what is the price target for PLTR? And end of the video, I will also talk about an article if you're really long term on PLTR. So if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, as you can see, the earning is tomorrow before market open. And what's the price? The price is not looking good. The current price is around $18. Before I go, just want to show you one thing, that it has a hold rating currently with an average price target of $24 with a high of 40 and a low of 15. Remember, we went close to 40, not close to over $40, and the current price is below 20, which is below 24, which is the average price. At the same time, the low estimate is 15, which could be possible as well. And why? You can see the chart I'm drawing here. You see these two blue line? That was the triangle I was tracking the price action on a daily candle, and you see it broke through that triangle, and back to back 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 back to back 8 days we have red candles, not looking good at all. You see this line, the yellow line here, this is the 50 SMA line, and you can see that it is extremely bearish because we can't go up of this yellow line, which means that whenever we are approaching that 50 SMA line, we are rejected, we are coming down. And again, we tried to go up. Maybe I'll zoom, you can see that. So we tried to go up here, we came down. Again, we tried to break it, we came down. We tried to break it, you see we are just touching, we came down. And even just before the sell-off, we tried one more time here when we were around $23, but we could not break that 50 SMA line, which means that there is not enough buyer, there is not enough strength in this particular stock, and the share price is coming down. Whenever it will break that 50 SMA line, which is the yellow line here, I think that's the indicator that it is going higher. Before that, as long we can't break it, you stay away if you haven't bought this particular stock. Or if you are really bullish on this particular stock, then you can buy if it dips even more, and then you can ride the wave. Otherwise, if we are just doing a quick swing trade or anything, look at the price action, because that 50 SMA looks like very important for this particular stock. Also, let's go back to the daily candle, and you can see that we went all the way to $45-ish and we came down. And in my previous video, I talked about this rectangle box here, because I said it's moving within this box, and if we can break, we will go higher. But what happened? We could not break and we are coming down, and the way we are coming down is not looking good, because that was a support around 21.2, this area, we broke it. Then the next support was around 20.1, we broke it, and currently we are around 18.4, not looking good at all. And why I'm bearish on this particular stock for present? Because of this. So if I draw some candle, so this is one thing, and I will explain what I'm trying to draw here, and probably you know, because some people are very smart in this channel, so they already know what I'm drawing here. So this is like a head and shoulder. This part, the middle one, is your head and this is your shoulder. And whenever a head and shoulder pattern is made, normally this is a bearish indicator, because the head and shoulders chart depicts a bullish to bearish trend reversal, right? So from bullish it becomes bearish, and once the support line is broken, then it comes down. You can see in the picture. Yeah, let me show you the picture here, right? So once it is broken, it comes down. Same thing happened. we had a floor around $20, and no one was saying that it will not come below 2019 and everything, and we broke the support. The big support we had. This is the neckline, it is called, and now we are coming down. So definitely this is a bearish indicator. On the other hand, if I look at RSI on a daily candle, you can see we are currently at 26, 27 area, which is below 30. Anything below 30 is oversold. On the other hand, this is a good opportunity if you want to get in, and once it will reverse, you can just get out. But again, I'm not saying get into that particular stock. Also look at the MACD, the blue line is coming down. We do not know how big those red candles will be, and also keep that in mind. The market is not doing good. Any kind of growth stock, they are heavily beaten down, so we do not know where is the floor. So keep that in mind. The market is not doing good, and the earning is tomorrow. If the earning is not good, it will tank even more, but if the earning is good, the RSI is below 30, it can always bounce back. And most importantly, keep that in mind. Sometimes no trading is the best trading, because sometimes you invest, you do some trading, you force yourself to do some trading, the market is very choppy and you lose your money. So what do you think? Like, without losing money, just no trading is the best trading. So anyway, that's the chart. Now if the earning is bad, if the market is bad, if anyhow the price comes down, what's the next floor? Because we know even on good earning, the share price is coming down, especially for the growth stock. So let's look at a 15-minute candle here. I want to give you a better picture, because if we break, where we can come, right? So I see some previous areas of support around this area, and the current price is 18.47. You see the line, so we are currently on that particular support area, 18.4. But what can happen if this is broken? Then how far we can come down? I think this is another area which is around 15.5-ish area, or you can say $16, because once this is broken, you see here, then we can come all the way down, because there is no support. So if this area is broken, we will come all the way around $16 area. And if it comes even more, then how far we can come? Maybe we can come around $14. I'm not saying from 18 it will come to $14, but keep that in mind. The market is not doing great. The earning is tomorrow. Earning is always a gamble. If the earning is bad, from 18.5 we can come all the way to 16, who knows, to $14. So anyway, keep those in mind. Look at the volume, look at the price action, and then you can decide. You see today, like, there was a gap down, and even the earning will be tomorrow before market. So if the earning is bad, then maybe it will open even below. So I'm not bearish, but the overall chart is not telling me something good. At the same time, if there is some kind of good earning, the RSI is below 30, then why not? It can bounce back and it can retest $20. And if it can retest $20, we know then we have support around 21.2, then 22.5. But I'm not going there. I'm more concerned about tomorrow and the price action. And definitely, whether we are going up or we are going down, I will make more videos on Pltr, so we can decide how we should play. And if you are a Pltr holder, or if you are planning to invest, definitely this is a channel you should be subscribed, because I will be covering Pltr, and I have been covering Pltr. So head and shoulder is gone. Now what's the price action, or what's the price prediction? So I'm just looking at the Investor Place article which came on April 19th, that expect Palantir stock to skyrocket as its revenue and profit spike. Pltr stock would rise 87% in 3 years to 41.46 per share. And it talks about the company boldly projects that its revenue will grow to 4 billion or more by 2025, and here is why. It talks about so many things. Then it talks about Palantir projects that its 2021 revenue will exceed 30% growth year over year, and its Q1 2021 revenue growth will grow by 45% year over year. So keep that in mind when the earning comes tomorrow. So what's the number we are getting for Q1 2021 revenue growth? Are we getting 45%? Are we getting more, or are we getting less? And if it is 45%, then this will exceed the company's implied 35% annualized growth rate. So their annualized growth rate is 35%. So if we get 45%, definitely it is better. So we will see tomorrow. Also, Palantir also projects that its Q1 2021 adjusted operating margin will be rise to 23%. Keep that in mind for tomorrow. And it talks about other items. I'm not going there. So they are projecting around 41.4 per share. This is one thing. If I look to Nasdaq, their average price target is 24, but the high is 40 and the current price is 18. So if you are really long on Palantir, definitely this is a juicy price for you. Or you can wait for tomorrow. If it dips more, just buy more share or average down. Or if you are bullish and if it goes up, definitely there's a good point. But most of the places I found, people tell like it will double. It will double. So if you think it will double, it will go back to 40, 50 again, then this is a very attractive price. But again, earnings tomorrow, we will see. And if you want to make some call or put option, then you can always choose an expiry date close to 21st of May, because the earning will be pre-market. So when the market will open, you will know how the earning was, and then according to that you can play call or put option. If you are taking a short expiry date, maybe if it's a killer earning, maybe it can go up to $20 or something, then you can choose a strike of $19 or you can choose a strike of $18. You run with the flow and you get out and lock some profit. If it comes down, then you can also play with put option. You can definitely play with something $17, you pay $76. If it comes down to $16, definitely you will get more money. So I'm not explaining what is strike price and what expiration date you will be taking, but keep that in mind. With call or put option, you can always make money, especially when a red market, sometimes we become depressed and we do not feel good because the market is tanking. But if you can play put option in the right way, you can always make money. So even though if you're holding some shares, you are losing money, but if you play some put option, then you can make money. This is why it is very important to know technical analysis, support and resistance. And in this channel, I heavily look at the technical analysis, support, resistance. And again, this is another reason you should be subscribed to my channel anyway. So if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So the earning will be tomorrow, we will see. And maybe if I'm playing with some call or put option, maybe I will make a post in my Twitter, stock with, or maybe in the community board of my YouTube channel. So I post regularly on my community tab. If you go to my channel, then you can see the community tab, and I post different things over there. So anyway, my friends, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.